Hey, what's up everyone? It's Don from Ark Ramps, back for the third installment of the Ark Workshop series. Here I have a whole bunch of Astro wide bases, which are being made for the flat face stock. Since all these bases are cut by hand, sometimes it takes a little touching up to get them nice and even. Well, time to ship these off to the god himself, Mike Schneider. I'm trying to keep things pretty organized in the shop, so I just put everything in bins. And all these scrap pieces will get used at some point for other ramp parts. I basically try to let no wood go to waste. Keeping a clean shop is essential to stay healthy in a woodshop environment, especially for me since I'm basically in the shop every day, all day. I definitely recommend wearing a dust mask for this. Got my little quarter pipe cookie cutters to trace with, and it's time to make some quarter pipes, you feel me? You already know I'm using the dumbbells on these quarters. Who would have thought that these dumbbells would be so essential to building quite a few of my ramps? I want the corners here to be nice and durable, so I always make sure to round them out. I got so pumped when I got this new branding iron, I just had to make some keychains. And we're off to the shipping station. Gotta do a little front blunt to make sure it's proper, feel me? But yeah, these ramps are actually for a sponsor pack that's shipping to Kelsey for the Texas Rendezvous. Big shout out to Kelsey for always hosting sick events. Well, this concludes Ark Workshop Episode 3. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.